Hi, this is Rich Lavens of Watlow, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to migrate a clone file or update a clone file from one firmware version to another. Um, in this case, my customer is working with a version 4.17 controller, but he has version 4.15 configuration file. So what you would do is I will remove this. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to pick a 3504 with the same firmware as the controller I'm working with. So we're going to use this 4.17 default, and it'll open that up. So there's the 4.17. Now this has whatever the default's in for the factory. So I want to get that 4.15 version and put it in here. So I'm going to come up here to load and find my file that's the 4.15 right here. And we're going to open that. So what that's going to do is this is 4.15. We're going to load it into a 4.17 controller. So that is now loaded. So if we go into the configuration, we can see that that has updated. So we've got a 4.15 loaded into a 4.17. Now what I need to do is save this as a 4.17. So we're going to come back in here, hit save. I'm going to find that same file right here, except I'm going to note that now this is saved as 4.17, just so I can distinguish one from another. And that's really about all you have to do. Now, at least on the 3504, if you have a version 3.3 or older, there is a different way to do that. But as long as you're working kind of within the 4.XX firmware, you can go from 4.XX and upgrade it to the latest version by doing this procedure. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you.